See this really nasty
This
shirt
is
I
Zach
want?
with his nasty shirt.
And it's clean. It's disgusting, you know?
It looks like you...
I think that's whenever I kill chickens. Like, okay, you have a stump right here, you know? You put two nails about this close to each other. I guess it'd be like this. And then you prop their
He's showing us how to
head
kill a
right there.
chicken for all you who don't know what the
You
heck he's
hold their
doing.
wings and their feet together, and you're going to pull it
Put
to
your
the
head
next
back
top.
down there. Then, like,
So she can kick it.
No. You're gonna take, okay,
It's alright.
we're doing a documentary.
We're doing a documentary of how to kill a chicken.
Grabbing their wings and their feet together, and you're gonna pull their necks to their top. And you take the machete you have.
Oh, machete. Imagine a machete.
And it's
And it's
It
dead.
comes off.
comes back to life and eats you.
Nice.
No, actually, it stays alive.
Damn.
Blood everywhere.
Damn.
Oh, I got the sleeve of my jacket. I had a long sleeve jacket on. And
Alright, I'm done. Walk it. It's not like you mean
I
it.
should have started drinking it. I should have been like, oh yes, I'm from the Salem witch trial. Holy hell, that was I had to clean it. That was disgusting.
We need to make a video.
Hi.
We need to make a video for
Zack is teaching. And the vegetarians do the riot, and we take him down.